Welcome to the 60-second update from the Royal Air Force Astra Awards.
The awards recognise the fantastic people and projects that have contributed to grassroots innovation across the RAF, and which make a real difference to our work. The UK has become the first nation to fly nearly the full length of NATO's eastern flank, from its most southerly point in the Mediterranean to the Barents Sea in the far north with an RAF Rivet Joint. The aircraft was supported by NATO partners, including the US, who provided air-to-air refuelling over Romania and Poland. RAF LEAD, the part-time leadership development programme for high-potential enlisted aviators, hit an important milestone as the first cohort graduated this month. The programme highlights the important role of all leaders in ensuring the RAF is ready to fly and fight. As alumni, they will continue to develop their understanding of strategic leadership while sharing their own experiences.
That's everything for this week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.